Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Uh, Today we will learn how to edit data and copy or moving data. So first we want to write here something. Suppose Saint Stephen, Stephen. Okay. Now you want to edit this data. So there are two processes. You can overwrite the text or you can edit partly. First, if you want to overwrite, click here and start the writing. Okay, then the text will appear. Okay, but if you want to edit partly, then select the text that you want to edit and go in this portion, formula bar, and edit which you want to need. Okay, then press the enter. Text will be edited. Okay, and there is another option, that is undo and redo. You can undone or redone your tasks. When you click here, then that undone, and this is the redo or redone. Okay, and there is another option, moving data or copying a data. Suppose here I writing some values. Okay, uh, there is some values. Okay, so now I want to copy this portion to this portion. So first I want to select the text. Okay, after selecting the text, right click on the selected area, or you can select a cut or copy option from this portion. Okay, or after right click on copy, then you can get a dotted blinking line. Okay, then go to the another place, then press on paste. Okay, after paste you can get a duplicate copy of the selected portion. Okay, and if you want to move the text, suppose you want to move this portion, you want to move. So right click, then cut, then go to this new portion, click on paste, then text will move to the new location. Okay, now how we can delete some row and column. Okay, so first I want to select this portion. Okay, so suppose you want to delete this row, so right click, then select the delete option, then there is the option entire row. If you select entire row, then the row, that means 1 2 3 4 5, these rows are delete. So after select the entire row, click on OK, then that rows are deleted. Okay, and suppose you want to add one row in between 5 and 6. So just select the row, then right click and click on insert. When you click on insert, then one row will insert it. Look, one row in between these two values. Okay, and if you want to insert a column, then select a column, right, then click on insert, then a column will insert it. Okay, so after this we will learn the there is a option, some calculation. Suppose you want to calculate or you want to add the values. First, I select the values, then go to the auto sum option. If you click here in auto sum, then you will get the total values after addition. Okay, and you will see also the formulas in the formula bar. Okay, this is the formula of addition. Okay, so up to this portion you will learn and if possible practice it. Okay, so thank you class.